number one news, the biggest 95.5 FM.
Today is September 24, 2011, and it's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Good day, this is Early Jane Alcalde.
And this is John Mark Cayago.
Reporting. For local news, teen founded in Ilocos and Divine Grace Fuentes as special report.
Last September 2, 2011, the body of teenager Alizer Maneja was found in a river in Barangay Maduaba. Maneja was previously reported missing after raging. Floods swept away several houses in Digras, the onslaught of Typhoon Mina. He had wound in his head when he was found. The other victim has been identified as Andres Calaro from Surat and Pablo Lazaro from Pidig. Back to you, EJ.
Thank you, Divine.
Guard 1 filed complaint versus lawmaker who punched him. This was reported by Irene.
Security guard who was allegedly punched twice by Alanao del Sur, Representative Muhammad Yusin Pangandaman, will no longer file a case against the lawmaker because he is afraid of him. Security guard Ricardo Bonayag failed to show up at the Commission of Human Rights after deciding that he will no longer file a complaint against Pangandaman. In a phone interview with the media, Bonayag said he is withdrawing his complaint against Pangandaman because he feared for his and his family's safety. Ang kalaban ko po, malaking tao po. Ako po, ordinaryong tao lamang, he said. Bonayag assured the media that nobody talked to him or threatened him to back out. He, however, said he would like for the congressman to make a public apology, but he said that he has already forgiven the congressman. And that was my report. Back to you, John Mark.
Thank you, Irene.
For showbiz news, Shalani engaged to Romulo, 2012 wedding. That was reported by Roma.
Good afternoon, EJ. Pasig representative announced on last September 14, 2011, he is engaged with Valenzuela Councilor Shalani Soledad. Romulo said he proposed to Soledad last August 31 at Our Lady of Fatima in Valenzuela. He said he and Soledad plan to get married next year. Shalani mother said, I admire the courage and honor of Representative Roman Romulo in seeking me out and telling me his intentions with my daughter Shalani. Back to you, EJ.
Thank you, G.
Every time I post comments, I always think about what happened, if that comment caused bad or good effect. So, think before you click.
We will continue our news. This is Early Jane Alcalde reporting. Miss Universe 2011, Shamsi Supsup, third runner-up, was reported by Irene.
Miss Angola Lopez was crowned Miss Universe of 2011 in the competition held at San Paulo, Brazil last September 10, 2011, and it was September 11 in Manila. Miss Ukraine Olesia Shevchenko was first runner-up, Brasilia Priscilla Pachado placed second runner-up, Shamsi Supsup third runner-up, and China's Lucy Lin was fourth runner-up. Filipinos said even though Supsup didn't get the crown, they are all proud of her and they are saying that Shamsi Supsup was the Miss Universe for them. Back to you, Early Jane.
Thank you, Irene.
For sports news, Askals faced Nepal in an international friendly in October 11 at the Rizal Memorial Stadium. And Divine has a special report.
The Nepal family will mark the first time that the Askals will have a full complement of players since it falls on the international football break, Araneta said. Clubs are inclined to release players during international break. Kagara will join us for 2 matches, said Askals manager Dan Palami. He is a good addition to the team with his skills and experience. The Askals will also face Singapore in another international friendly on October 7 in Singapore. Meanwhile, the Philippines Football Federation announced the tickets for the international friendly will be sold starting October 1 through various ticket world outlets. Back to you, John Mark.
Back to you, Alcalde.
That's all our news today. This is Early Jane Alcalde.
And this is John Marcayago.
The biggest news. Recognize its obligation. If there's any question, please contact 0909-48-97676 for SMART.
0926-551-4868 for Globe. That's all. Thank you.